Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beautiful landing page. First, focus on a clear, concise headline that immediately communicates your unique value. Pair this with high-quality, relevant visuals that resonate with your target audience. Ensure your call to action is prominent and persuasive, guiding visitors smoothly towards conversion. Remember, simplicity and clarity are key to a successful first impression. Next, let's talk about design. A clean layout with plenty of white space improves readability and focus. Consistency in branding, including colors and fonts, reinforces your identity. Always prioritize mobile responsiveness. Over 50% of web traffic comes from mobile. Incorporate social proof, such as customer testimonials or trust badges, to enhance credibility and encourage conversions. Crafting compelling content is crucial. Focus on benefit-driven copy that directly addresses your audience's needs and pain points. Break up text with bullet points and short paragraphs to make it easily scannable. Clearly articulate what makes your offer unique and valuable. Your call to action should be irresistible, clearly stating what visitors will gain by taking the next step. Finally, optimization is an ongoing process. Regularly /B test different elements, such as headlines, images, and calls to action, to discover what resonates most with your audience. Monitor key performance indicators like conversion rates and bounce rates to gauge effectiveness. Gather user feedback to gain deeper insights into visitor behavior. Continuous iteration based on data ensures your landing page always performs at its best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.